Hi guys, it's P/Cat Vibes, and I'm here to open up my new slime as always. This is my first video, I either open up a new toy, slime, or anything you guys love. This is the new Planet Putty. It's the Neptunes, and there's 8 other ones, but I have Neptune.
All different colors.
So now I have it. And I'm going to take a little moment to stretch it without my voice. Okay guys, I'm back. That was just a little weird dancing moment. So now, I also have one more surprise toy to show you guys today. She's not new. I opened her either yesterday or... It was yesterday. Oh, yeah, wait. I dropped the lid just a second. Ow! The lid! Don't fall me. Sorry guys, my computer fell. Now, back to the video. I had to get the lid. I have one more surprise toy. You can get these at the Handy Way. They're called Pipsqueak Surprise. It comes with pets and candy. Here's all these. There is Daisy, Tucker, Penelope, Kona, Priscilla, Turbo, Bandit, and Paisley.
Which one did you get?
Now, this is Penelope the Parrot. I'm going to give it a little slow-mo. That guys. So here's what it comes with. It comes with these 2 stickers with a picture of them and their name. You put on here. A case. They go right here on the shelf and the candy goes under. Then an also backpack clip. I'm hanging this on my backpack this year. I do have the cat Priscilla, but I have no clue where she is. Then you put Penelope the Parrot back into her cage and shut it. Now I'm going to do ASMR sounds of eating this crunchy candy. So. She ate it.
You're not eating that one.
Alright guys, so I'm going to need everyone to be quiet. Here is the ASMR sound. Are they crunchy? They're too hard.
They did not sound like ASMR. Sound like a tooth breaking. Mom, don't forget to tell them what you're signing me up for.
Anyway. Oh, these are gross.
Can I have the rest of them?
No. I'm eating them. Okay. So now I'm going to put these little seeds for Persea back in here. Now, I'm going to tell you something. Y'all know I have a 5-year-old daughter and a 9-year-old daughter. I have a 5-year-old daughter and a 7-year-old daughter. I'm signing my 7-year-old daughter up. Oh, and a 13-year-old. So I'm signing my 7-year-old up for gymnastics, my 5-year-old also, but my 13-year-old daughter wants to be on the boys' football team.
Because my boyfriend's on there.
Comment down below if y'all think that's stupid. Now.
She's eating it.
Eating what?
The candy.
She's gonna get sick.
You're the one that threw
I'm just kidding. So guys, that was my video for today. Hope you enjoyed it.